Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a super exciting video. I'm going to be showing you guys a cheap and easy way to whiten your teeth at home. Which I'm super excited about because there is nothing like white teeth, and it's definitely one of those things that are super expensive to get done. I think typically it costs like $400 to $500 to get it done at an actual like dentist office. So to have an easy at home affordable way to whiten your teeth is so great. So today I'm going to be talking about HiSmile, and I'm going to be talking about their 6-day whitening treatment. And I absolutely love this so much. I am on my 6th day, so currently I've done 5 applications. And I will show you like the before and after and everything. So I can definitely tell a big difference in my teeth. I feel like a lot of the yellowish stains that were kind of on the perimeters of my teeth are definitely gone. In general, my teeth have more of a white glow about them instead of kind of just like a yellow dirty kind of look. So to start off, I'm going to be showing you what this actual 6-day teeth whitening kit comes with. So you open it up and it looks like this. You've got your 3 syringes at the top, and you can see I've only got 1 more left because like I said, I'm almost done with it. And then on the bottom, you've got your actual, you've got like a mouth guard and then your teeth whitening device. So it's this little thing, and I'm sure you guys have seen this on Instagram because I had definitely seen it on Instagram before I had used it. And it's just kind of like this little circle with the mouthpiece, and you click the button and it's got the light. And then there's this clear kind of like rubber mouth guard. So you will attach the mouth guard to this, and then that is what it looks like. Then obviously, like I said, it comes with the syringe. And what I really like about the syringe, so each syringe has 2 applications in it. So you'll do 1/4 of the syringe for the top part, 1/4 of the syringe for the bottom part. That's 1 application. What I really like about the actual syringe is that it's measured out for you. So it shows like 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, which is really good for me because I'm kind of like, what's a 1/4? I can't really tell. I specifically like this little device because when you're whitening your teeth, it's completely hands-free. So you'll just, as you can see, like you just stick it in your mouth and you don't have to, you know, like hold on to it the entire time, and it's super fast. It only takes 10 minutes. So that is what the actual teeth whitening kit comes with, along with some instructions. And inside of the instructions is also a little like guide that kind of tells you where you're starting with. For me, I've been doing this for 5 days now, and I started at 5 and I'm currently at 2, and I still have 1 more treatment left. So like I said, I would definitely say it made a huge difference in my teeth, and just kind of like I said, like the overall look of my teeth look white rather than kind of like a yellow cast. I love that this only takes 6 days. Like that's super nice. I love that they have just very simple instructions, not just like a long like novel of instructions. It's just super easy with pictures. It does say daily use is recommended for best results, so you don't want to do like day 1, wait a week, day 2 and wait a week. Like that doesn't really make sense. You want to do 6 days in a row. And then the next thing that it says for a tip is to limit the intake of dark colored food and beverages such as red wine, coffee, and tea before and after application. By the time, like if I drink my coffee at 9 o'clock in the morning, I might not whiten till like 11 o'clock at night. So it's a good amount of time in between that. And then it also says to apply pressure to the mouthpiece while whitening. So even though you don't technically have to hold it, sometimes when I first put it in, I will kind of gently just like kind of push it against my mouth a little bit, just so I make sure, like, you know, all of the gel and everything is getting like spread on my teeth and it's not just sitting in there gently. I kind of like apply a little bit of pressure. And another thing I really like about this is, for me, I didn't have any sensitivity. Like I actually tried to test it out. I took like ice and I was like drinking my water, and I was like, no sensitivity. I had ice cream today. No sensitivity. Another thing I really like about it is the taste of this is not overwhelming. Like when I have it in my mouth, I can't really taste it, and it all kind of like stays within the mouth guard. It's not like all of the gel just like oozes out of your mouth or like foams up or gets like really uncomfortable, like you want to like swallow it or it's like bothering you or anything like that. It's just really comfortable. So now that I told you guys everything about it, I'm just going to go ahead and do a demo and show you guys how I actually use it and what the process actually looks like. So the first thing that you do in this process is brush your teeth. And then you're going to take your syringe and you're going to do 1/4 on the top and 1/4 on the bottom. So you'll go ahead and take that. So now you're just going to take it and set it in your mouth. So as you can see, once I was done whitening, the light just turned off and it beeped to let me know that the 10 minutes was done. Then after that, you will just rinse your mouth out and rinse the little mouth guard out. I usually do that like right afterwards, and I just kind of rinse it under the water, and then that is it. So it's super simple, Really easy, really fast. You can definitely multitask. I usually do this at night and not in the morning. I feel like just generally teeth whitening is something that is better to do at night because you're not going to be eating and drinking like a whole bunch of stuff afterwards. Okay, so that is the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely check out HiSmile. It is so nice. I really, really love this product and how it works, and I love how fast it works and how easy it is to use. So this is the 6-day teeth whitening kit, which will obviously be linked in my description box below, so you can just click on that. It'll take you straight there. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if it helped you out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.